Hey, what's up, everybody? Elliot Harrison here with your Week 10 Power Rankings. We start off with the Texans. Didn't look good with Tom Savage this week. Granted, he had a short week to prepare, but boy, 2 games with Tom Savage, the Texans have not looked good against the Jaguars, against the Colts. Those games were at home. You see the Texans here at 25. Packers have their own backup quarterback woes. Bengals got their starter. They still don't look good. Dolphins have gone through quarterbacks. Jay Cutler's playing now. Tampa Bay just lost theirs. San Francisco just got a new one. The Giants have a controversy, and we don't know who the Browns quarterback is. All right, how about the Raiders? We know who their quarterback is. He's been hurt a little bit this year. E.J. Manuel came in. They lost that game to the Ravens, but they're getting back on track, and they could sneak back into the playoff race. I'd like to see Marshawn Lynch get a few more carries than what he got against the Dolphins. Nice win there, though, on the road. You see the Raiders there at 18. The Bears at 17 were off. Atlanta, nobody really knows what to make of them. The Jets, I don't know how they're doing it. The Ravens have an easy schedule going forward. Boy, did the Broncos get blown out. Arizona got a win, and the Colts got a win also, both those teams with backup quarterbacks. Okay, let's look at the next team, which is the Washington Redskins, and you want to talk about the quarterback position. Kirk Cousins, boy, is he valuable to that team, and I love the toughness and grit this team is showing when all the chips are down to go out to Seattle and get a win. It's impressive. They're at 13 there. You see Tennessee back on the winning track. Chargers were off. Lions finally got a win. Seattle, don't know what to make of those guys right now, and Kansas City loses 3 out of 4. Now, the team they lost to, the Dallas Cowboys. As long as the Cowboys can run the ball and they give their pass rushers time to take a break in the second half, then that pass rush is fierce late in the game. The Cowboys put together long drives. I just hope the wide receiver position isn't too banged up because both Terrence Williams and Dez Bryant had to leave that game limping around. You see the Cowboys there at 8. The Jags, they continue to win. They beat who's on their schedule. The Vikings have looked impressive. The Saints have really looked impressive. New England creeping up towards number 1. You see Pittsburgh, they were off. The Rams get, over 50 points on the road. And Philadelphia Eagles, still your number 1 team in the power rankings.